Some herbs may relieve your cough or cold symptoms, as they soothe the throat, fight bacteria, and reduce inflammation. You can often treat a cough at home, once the cause of your cough has been diagnosed, and any serious medical condition ruled out. Treatment for cough with medicinal herbs. Here is a list of herbs for treating a cough at home, including the following. Ginger. Ginger may help relieve symptoms of a dry or asthmatic cough. Mint. Peppermint leaves have healing and soothing properties for a cough. The menthol in mint soothes the throat and removes congestion, which helps dissolve mucus. Thyme leaves contain flavonoids, which relax the muscles of the throat and reduce inflammation. Marshmallow root. Herbal cough syrup containing marshmallow root, along with thyme and ivy, might effectively relieve coughing from common colds and respiratory infections. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. It may also be helpful for several conditions, including a dry cough. Tips to relieve a cough. In addition to using herbs to treat a cough, the following tips may help soothe your throat and relieve your cough. Stay hydrated. Inhale the steam or take a hot bath, but avoid this if your cough is due to asthma, as the steam may make symptoms worse than before. Use a moisturizer to loosen mucus. Gargle with salt water. Use an extra pillow to elevate your head at night. Avoid smoking, and avoid secondhand smoke. Stay away from cough irritants such as dust, perfume, and pollutants. Eat honey daily.